Hello everyone and welcome to our H3C Practice Lab course on this channel. In this course we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting using H3C devices. I'm really excited to share this knowledge with you and help you take your networking skills to the next level. For our labs, we will use the H3C Cloud Lab, which you can download from the link in the description below. In episode number 3, we will focus on how to do safety configuration changes. When you change some parameters, you can make mistake and break connection to device. But to avoid that stress, you can use scheduler reboot delay command, where you say after how many minutes device to reboot. In case of error and you break your connection, device will reboot after that minutes and turn back your configuration. In case everything is fine, just undo command and save your new configuration. So here you can see example how to do an undo command. Let's run one switch, for example this one, start it, go to the command line mode, okay, let's break automatic configuration. So we are here. To demonstrate this, first this command we will run not in the privilege mode, system view, we will do it in the regular user mode. So let's do scheduler reboot delay, and let's say after 1 minute to device to reboot. Enter. We need to confirm, let's say, so we will say yes, okay, and we have 1 minute to do the changes in this case. So we will change some simple parameters, go to the system view and change host name to the test. Enter, exit. Now we will wait device to reboot. In this case we made some mistake, we lost connection to this device and we need to wait device to reboot and to connect again to this device. Okay, let's wait it. Okay, here it is, system is rebooting now, and let's wait to finish reboot. Okay, booting up. Yeah, you can see the changes didn't apply because we didn't do the right, and that is that. Okay, now let's do the same example, but in this case we imagine that we do it everything what we want and we didn't lose any kind of connection, everything is fine. Okay, let's do again scheduler reboot delay and let's say 2 minutes. Also you can specify how many minutes, or you can specify exact hours and time. So for example now is 9 o'clock PM, you can specify in 10 o'clock PM to reboot. But however, let's confirm this for 2 minutes and we will again go to the system view and change the host name to the, for example, test again. Now this is just example, but we did something, everything is fine, we don't need device to reboot, and we will just cancel that by command undo scheduler reboot, and you can see it is cancelled. Okay, and now we can do the right command, save configuration, and that is that. Thank you for watching this video from our H3C Practice Lab course. We hope you found it informative and valuable. To continue your learning, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any kind of questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.